Hello, hello, hello. Welcome and thank you for joining me for Distance Learning Week 6. This is May 4th through the 8th. So our weekly Zoom meetings will be as follows. So you guys know that you should be starting class on time, watching your weekly video, and then attending our Zoom meeting shortly after. So period 1 will start at 9:30. Period 4 we're going to start at 11. I'd like you guys to come to class already having watching this video with your assignments opened and exported to Notability. This week we're going to stay on for a little while and we're going to write our intro and conclusion paragraphs together. So plan on staying for a little bit longer than we normally do. And again, if you would like to meet with me on the off day, which is Wednesday or Thursday, I have office hours Zoom link on the welcome page at the top, or you can always email me and request an appointment. Okay, so here we go with this week. We are writing our introduction and conclusion paragraphs. You're going to edit your essay following a checklist. You will color code your paragraphs and then submit. So your mass extinction essay is due at the end of the week, Friday by midnight. So this week we're mostly focusing on the introduction and conclusion paragraphs. So you guys have done the bulk of the work, which is looking at 4 different sources: the movie, the podcast, the article, and the short interview, and gathered up all your evidence, and you've written all 4 body paragraphs. So now it's just kind of time to do the finishing touches. So your task number 1, you're going to open up the template that I have linked here or on the welcome page. You're going to export it to Notability, and you're going to use that as a guide to write your rough draft introduction and conclusion paragraphs. So you'll see it kind of guides you sentence by sentence on what you need to be writing. If you would like to kind of write your own, you can feel free to do so, but I want you to open up the template and at least know that you're following the correct format. Once you've written both of those paragraphs, you're going to open up your mass extinction essay document. Remember, you want to make sure you're typing on the correct one. So your name, date, and class period at the top should be highlighted in yellow. That lets you know that that's the one that I can see. So when I grade it, that's the one that I'm able to see. Okay, so once you've written them, you can go ahead and go over to your mass extinction essay document and type them up. So at this point, your whole essay should basically be done and all typed in, from your introduction to your 4 body paragraphs to your conclusion. So now it's time to edit your essay. So what I want you to do first is just to read through it, right? We've kind of chunked it and written it a little bit at a time, so it's likely that there's a lot of small errors that are easily fixed. So right now what I want you to do is read your essay at least 1 time through and just do initial basic editing. So looking for obvious spelling and grammar errors, checking for flow, right? This is the first time you're reading your essay from top to bottom. So kind of make sure it goes together, that it doesn't feel super choppy or that repetitive or anything like that. And then adding additional details if needed. So if you read a paragraph and you're like, ooh, that does not have enough information, go back and add some details. So this is kind of just your first basic editing of your essay. Once you've done that and you're like, okay, I feel pretty good about this essay, you're going to open up the checklist that I have linked here. You're going to export it to Notability. You're going to go step by step through the checklist. It's front and back. It goes through each paragraph. And you want to make sure that you can check off, yes, I've completed each of these. And if you haven't, don't just blindly go through your checklist and check everything off. Actually go through your essay, check off one thing at a time, okay? After you've done your checklist and you're like, okay, I've done my initial edit, I've done my second editing with the checklist, this looks pretty good, like I'd feel good submitting this. You are going to go through and color code it. So this is one last way to kind of make sure you have everything that you needed, one last way to kind of go back and reread it one more time. So you're going to highlight each paragraph as follows. So the topic sentence you'll highlight in yellow. You'll then underline your source where it came from. You'll highlight your evidence in green and your reasoning in blue. At the very bottom of your essay, I'll show you in a second, there's an example highlighted paragraph so you can kind of see what it needs to look like. Once you've gone through and highlighted and color-coded each paragraph, you can delete that example at the bottom, okay? So I'm going to show you, here's the example paragraph. So you can see the topic sentence is highlighted yellow, the source is underlined, the evidence is in green, and the reasoning is in blue. Both pieces of reasoning are in blue, okay? And this is, again, just one more way to kind of get you to read it and identify that you have each of the pieces present. Once you are all done, you can hit the submit button. Remember, I already have access to this, but by you hitting submit, you're kind of letting me know I'm all done, I'm ready for it to get graded. But no, once you've submitted it, you're no longer going to be able to edit it. So make sure you're really ready to submit before you push the button. Submit it. Essays are due by Friday, May 8th by 11:59 p.m. Okay, so now that you've watched our weekly video, go ahead and start opening up your necessary documents from the welcome page, exporting them to Notability, and then join us on our mandatory Zoom meeting in just a few minutes. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon.